In front of me is showing me a tool item, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select system, enroll advanced, and then click on, actually we don't have to enroll advanced because it's at the top of the list, so just click on languages and input. Now go to virtual keyboard, and here you've got the Gboard, so smoothly marked to open. And now select text correction, scroll down, and here you've got spell checker. So if only you want to mark misspelled words while typing, just click on it and they will be marked from now on. And also if you want your words to be corrected when you type them, just pick autocorrection. And this is it. This is the text correction features that you can apply. Obviously you can switch them off whenever you want to. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.